All right, here's the second example. We're gonna be using the surface area of sphere's formula in order for us to find the diameter of this sphere. So find the diameter of the sphere. Okay, so what is given to us? We are given the surface area here. So the surface area equals 20.25 pi centimeters squared. Okay, if we wanted to find the diameter of something, remember that the diameter is just 2 times the radius. So it would be helpful if we find out what the radius is. Thank goodness our formula has the radius. So let's go ahead and use this formula to solve for it. So the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 times pi times r squared. Okay, cool. So we already know what our surface area is here. So let's substitute that. 20.25 pi equals 4 pi r squared, since that is what the surface area is. And if we want to isolate the variable r here, because we need to find out what the diameter is, and to find out the diameter, we need to find the radius. Let's go ahead and isolate this r here. What are we going to do? I'm going to divide both sides by 4 pi first. That way, we're left with this r squared together. So the 4's on the right side equal 1, the pi's equal 1. Over here on the left side of the equation now, our pi's are going to cancel out or equal 1, and then we're left with 20.25 over 4 equals r squared. Okay, so if we want to just find out what the radius is, what can we do to both sides? Let's go ahead and square root both sides. So the square root of 20.25 over 4 is going to be the radius. So let's go ahead and pop that into a calculator and see what we get. The square root, and make sure everything is underneath the square root. If you are using a different calculator, you have to make sure that you find out what 20.24 divided by 4 is first and then square root that. So we have here 2.25 as the radius. So if the radius r equals 2.25, then what is the diameter over here? Remember, the diameter is 2 times the radius. So if the diameter is 2 times r, we know what the radius is. 2 times 2.25. So the diameter here is whatever 2 times 2.25 is, which is going to be 4.5. What is the measurement here? Centimeters. So that's how we can use the formula of the surface area of a sphere to find out what the diameter is. All right, that's it. Bye.